as a human rights defender, how do you see moving forward?
This is not a friendly environment. It's quite hostile for human rights defenders in many ways, because people are personally attacked. People are personally summoned to be questioned at various state security agencies, civil society organizations, particularly in the north and the east, receive visits from several security organizations asking them what they're doing. If you protest, there will be surveillance. If you protest, you may be arrested. We have seen trade unionists who've also been arrested, etc. So it's an environment that is quite oppressive. And therefore, for human rights defenders, it is a difficult environment because they are struggling for or working towards ensuring that other people who are in a far more vulnerable situation, that their rights are protected. But at the same time, the defenders themselves are under different forms of attack. So they have to protect themselves so that they can continue for another day to do the work to help really vulnerable and marginalized communities. So it's a struggle. I would say I'm actually very privileged. I always tell people, check your privilege. That's important. I'm very privileged in a sense. I have more protection than many others, right? Because of who I know or the positions I've held, etc. There are defenders in remote villages, environmental activists. There are defenders in the conflict-affected areas who are far more vulnerable, whose name many people don't know, right? Who don't have connections to seek protection or people voicing for them if they are under attack or threat. So I would say those are the people that we must identify and speak for, because especially those of us who have the privilege of, yes, we might be under attack, but compare me to someone else, I'm far more privileged and protected in that sense.